back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share 3 simple yet glamorous home decor ideas with you. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. For the first project, I'm using the wording Thankful, and I will be using this glitter and also the fine glitter, some white acrylic paint, and of course a bowl and a paintbrush. So the first thing I'll do is give the wording a really nice coat of white paint. This decor was found at Dollar Tree. They also carry the word family and gather. If you prefer, you can also try this trick with those words. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. As the first coat is drying, I went on and gave the word a second layer of paint before I add my glitters. I then sprinkled this glitter. It will cover a lot of area, but anywhere I miss, I'll go back and add the fun glitter. Don't you just love glitter? It just makes everything sparkle and so beautiful. I then allow it to dry before I move to the next project. For the second project, we'll need 2 square mirrors, 2 wooden signs, and 4 wooden blocks that I recycled from my old furniture. I'll be using fixed-oil adhesive as well as hot glue to glue 2 wooden blocks under each of the wooden sign. You can use a variety of items to help rise up the wooden sign, like wooden blocks found from the Dollar Tree. I then repeated that same step for the second one. This is what they look like, and I'll be using diamond wrap to cover the wooden section on the bottom. Repeated that same step all around for both of them. To add more personality to it, I also added those flower gems. I then used the silver contact paper to cover the bottom part and also the corners of the wooden sign. idea, instead of using contact paper, could also be painting, like either spray paint or acrylic paint. And now on to adding some bedazzle. I'm using this Rhinestone Sheet that I got from Amazon. I had it for a very long time and never got to use it, but now I'll go ahead and use it for this. So I'll just go ahead and cut it to size and just glue all around the box. Then we'll be using the mirror and glue it on top of the frame by using a strong adhesive and also some hot glue. Once done with the first one, I then repeated the same step for the second one. This is what they look like. They are really nice and glam displayers. I cannot wait to use my displayers to display my favorite candles, cranberry mandarin and peach mango. So you guys, let me know what you think in the description box below. What other items will really look nice on these displayers. And for the third and last project, we'll need this wooden block with the Rhinestone Sheet. You can also use paint if you prefer and just add glitter for the shimmer. And we'll also be needing 3 square mirrors. I'll be cutting the rhinestone to size to cover all around the border of the wooden piece. Now that our wooden piece is all covered with rhinestone and looking beautiful, I'll go ahead and use some strong adhesive as well as hot glue to add the mirrors to that. Before moving along, I clean my mirrors and I'll be using Acrylic Gems to put all around the borders of the mirrors. like the effect of gems on mirrors. It reflects into different gems and makes it more full and beautiful and glam looking. And to complete our final project, I'm using the silver candle holders that I got a while back from Dollar Tree. And matter of fact, I believe especially this time of year, they might be carrying them again. And I'll be adding gems to it to give it more of a glamorous look. This one is one of my favorite of the 3 projects I did. It really turned out beautiful. It looks really expensive, and I'm glad that I was able to create such a beautiful candle holder by barely spending money. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had fun watching me creating those 3 DIY projects, and I hope you guys will actually try to recycle some items and make new home decors. And this is me playing with different ways I can use my displayers slash candle holders. Let me guys know which one of those 3 projects was your favorite one, and leave me a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.